Hello dear students of class 7th, this is Priyanka Arora in front of you welcoming you all to your maths online class. So students, we were doing chapter number 5 algebraic expressions and I have given you in my previous video question number 1st and question number 2nd of exercise 5.2. Now I hope you must understood that how to solve the algebraic expressions. So today in this particular video I will be moving on with the same topic, solving the algebraic expression, and for this today in this particular video I am teaching you question number 3rd, all the parts. So let's begin with it. So students, see, question number 3rd is again simplify, and this is the first part of simplification. So let us begin how to solve it. You can see students that in this first algebraic expression, first bracket, there is one small bracket also, and as per the rules of BODMAS we solve the small bracket firstly. So rest of the terms will come as it is. बाकी terms as it is आ जाएंगी. 7 minus 3x plus 10y. Here you have to open the bracket. So when you will open the bracket, you can see that outside the bracket is minus sign. So inside all the signs will get changed. So this x will become minus x and this minus 2y will become plus 2y. Then close the big bracket. Then open this second bracket. Okay, and outside the bracket again you can see that minus sign is there. So inside all the signs will change. So this will become minus 5x, then minus 2y, and minus 10 will become plus 10. Okay, now in next step we will open this particular bracket also. So write down all the terms as it is. 7 minus 3x plus 10y minus x plus 2y minus 5x minus 2y plus 10. So here I have noted down all the terms of algebraic expression. Now I will bring the like terms together. अब मैं like terms को साथ में लेकर आऊंगी. आप देख सकते हो जो first term है वो constant value है, तो constant को हम last में लेंगे. पहले हम x वाली term से start करते हैं. So firstly I have written minus 3x. Then the like term of x is this minus x, and one more x term is there, minus 5x. So these three terms I have written together. After that I will move on to y. So plus 10y, similar to plus 10y is plus 2y and minus 2y. Now I will come on the constant value. So the constant value is plus 7. No sign is with 7, that means plus 7, and then finally plus 10 will come. Now just count the number of terms in the previous step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have not missed any of the term. Now see the next step students. So here all these three terms of x, ये तीनों ही x की term minus के sign के साथ में है. So according to the rules of the signs of integers, minus minus plus but sign माइनस, तो ये तीनों टर्म्स हम ऐड करेंगे बट साइन माइनस का ही आएगा. तो पहले आप माइनस का साइन लगा दीजिए. नाउ ऐड 5 प्लस 3 इज 8 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 9. नो कॉन्स्टेंट, नो नंबर विथ x, so that means 1. Now here plus 10y plus 2y minus 2y. Here you can see that plus 2y minus 2y exactly similar term but opposite sign. So these both will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Plus 10y. Okay, plus 2y and minus 2y cancelled. Plus plus, both are with plus, constant value. So you have to add it. 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. Plus sign will come because both the sides plus is there. So minus 9x plus 10y plus 17 is the answer of part A. So pay attention now on part B. In part B, first of all, we can open this bracket. So when you will open it, you can write y square minus y minus 1. Okay, now in next bracket what you will do students, firstly you will multiply this 1 upon 2. आपको bracket के बाहर 1 upon 2 दिख रहा है. इस 1 upon 2 को आप bracket के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे सारी टर्म से. मल्टीप्लाई क्यों करेंगे? क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो 1 upon 2 और ब्रैकेट के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है. तो किसी नंबर और ब्रैकेट के बीच में अगर कोई साइन नहीं होता है तो हम उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन कंसिडर करते हैं. तो ये 1 upon 2 अंदर ट्राइनोमियल है, तो तीनों टर्म से ये 1 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा. तो 1 upon 2 को जब हम x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो x इंटू 1 इज इक्वल्स टू x upon 2 माइनस 1 upon 2 को जब आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सो इट विल बी minus 1 upon 2 because whenever we multiply any number by 1 we get the same number. Now 1 upon 2 को जब आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2x² से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो इट विल बी 2/2x². ओके, नाउ you can see students that this 2 and 2 is cancelling. ये दोनों 2 कैंसिल हो रहे हैं और दोनों 2 कैंसिल हो गए, दैट मीन्स वहां पर वैल्यू क्या हो गई 1, क्योंकि दोनों 2 के टेबल से कैंसिल हुए तो ये 1/1 हो गया यहाँ पर. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे, बट ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस का साइन है और यहाँ पर ये तीनों टर्म्स एज इट इज आएगी. ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस का साइन है तो अंदर की सारी टर्म्स के साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. सो दिस x/2 विल बिकम -x/2, -1/2 विल बिकम +1/2 एंड +x². 1/1 लिखने की नीड नहीं है तो +x² हो जाएगा -x². ओके, नाउ ब्रिंग द लाइक टर्म्स टुगेदर. सो y², देयर इज नो सिमिलर टर्म ऑफ y². y² की कोई सिमिलर टर्म नहीं है. नाउ after y² minus y is there, so there is no similar term of minus y also. minus y की भी कोई similar term नहीं है. Then constant, so constant we will take in the last. Then -x/2. x/2 की भी similar कोई term नहीं है, x वाली term है ही नहीं यहाँ पर. +1/2, this is also constant, so we will take it at last. -x² को हमने लिया, -x² की भी कोई similar term नहीं है. नाउ वी विल राइट द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू -1 एंड +1/2. ओके, सो आप काउंट कर लीजिए प्रीवियस स्टेप में टर्म्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. वी हैव नोटेड डाउन ऑल द टर्म्स. नाउ अब आप देखिए जितने भी वेरिएबल्स वाली टर्म्स हैं वो सब सिंगल हैं, उसकी कोई भी लाइक टर्म नहीं है. कांस्टेंट के अंदर लाइक टर्म्स हैं, सो वी विल सॉल्व ओनली कांस्टेंट. रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स विल कम एज इट इज. यहाँ -1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो हम 1 प्लेस कर देंगे. नाउ दीज 4 टर्म्स विल कम एज इट इज. ये चारों टर्म्स ऐसी की ऐसी हम नोट डाउन कर देंगे, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. एंड कांस्टेंट के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स आप क्या करोगे, फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू है तो आप एलसीएम लेंगे. तो यहाँ आप 1 और 2 का एलसीएम लेंगे तो आपके पास में आ जाएगा 2. नाउ इन द टेबल ऑफ 1 2 कम्स 2 टाइम्स, सो मल्टीप्लाई 2 बाय न्यूमरेटर 1, सो इट विल बिकम -2. Plus in the table of 2 2 comes 1 time, multiply 1 by 1, so it will become 1 only. Again the variables will come as it is, y² minus y minus x/2 minus x². Here you solve it, -2 plus 1, माइनस प्लस माइनस 2 में से 1 को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए तो आ जाएगा 1. ग्रेटर नंबर है 2, उसके आगे माइनस का साइन है तो हमारे पास भी आ जाएगा माइनस का साइन और 1/2 आंसर. So this is the answer of part B. Now C part students, it is ab² plus 4a² minus a² plus 8ab² plus 5ab² plus 3ab². So one by one we will take the like terms together. So start from the first term ab². ab² की similar terms हैं यहाँ पर 8ab² and 3ab². So and 5ab² also. So 3 terms are similar to ab². So we will be writing these 3 terms along with ab², 8ab² plus 5ab² plus 3ab². So these 4 terms are like terms. Now what is remaining? The next is plus 4a²b. So here we will write plus 4a²b. And the similar term of plus 4a²b is minus 3a²b. So we will write here minus 3a²b. Now these 4 terms will be solved together. ये चारों टर्म साथ में सॉल्व होगी और 4a²b and minus 3a²b साथ में सॉल्व होंगी. सो फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स में आप देखिए स्टूडेंट्स की सारी टर्म्स पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ में है, सो वी हैव टू ऐड इट. सो 5 + 3 8 + 8 16, 16 + 1 is equals to 17ab². Okay, then next 2 terms plus and minus. So plus minus is equals to minus. 4 में से 3 को आप माइनस करेंगे आ जाएगा 1. So no need to mention 1. We will write only a²b. Now which sign will come? Here with 4 plus sign is there and with 3 minus sign is there. So 4 is greater. Before 4 positive sign. So we will also put here positive sign. So this is the answer because now the unlike terms are there. Now part D. Here we are having 3 brackets and in all 3 brackets trinomial are there. So first of all we will open all the brackets. So let's begin with the first bracket. It is a² plus b² minus 2 AB. Now we will open the second bracket and outside the bracket पॉजिटिव साइन इज देयर. अगर ब्रैकेट के बाद पॉजिटिव साइन है तो अंदर के सारे साइन सिमिलर रहते हैं, कोई चेंज नहीं होता. तो एज इट इज आ जाएंगे प्लस 2a² माइनस b² प्लस ab. नाउ आफ्टर दिस बिफोर नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट, okay, there is minus sign, so now the inside signs will change. So this a² will become minus a², then minus 2b² will become plus 2b² and plus ab will become minus ab. Next step, bring the like terms together. So we will begin with a². a² से हम begin करेंगे. a² वाली और terms देखिए आप, 2a² और minus a². So firstly I am writing this minus a² and then plus 2a². Then next b². So plus b². Similar term of b² is minus b² and plus 2b². So firstly I am writing minus b² and plus 2b². Then move on to the next term. It is minus 2ab. So I am writing here minus 2ab. Then the similar term of minus 2ab is plus ab and minus ab. So here I am writing plus ab and then minus ab. Let's count the total number of terms in the previous step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have noted down all the terms. Now, whatever are the exactly similar terms and opposite signs, first of all we will cancel it. So here a² minus a², exactly same, opposite sign. So these both will be cancelled. Then plus b² minus b², exactly same, opposite sign, cancel. Then plus ab minus ab, again exactly same, opposite sign, so we will cancel it. Now write the remaining terms. So it is plus 2a² plus 2b² and minus 2ab. Now you can see students that all the three terms are not like terms. ये like terms नहीं है, so we cannot solve it further. So this only is the answer of part D. I hope it is clear. Now part E students, see, first bracket is having trinomial, second bracket is having binomial, again third bracket is having binomial and the fourth bracket is having binomial. So one by one we will open the bracket firstly. So see, first bracket when we open it, it will be 3p² minus 2p minus 1 upon 2. Before second bracket positive sign is there, so sign will not be changed, as it is we will write the term. So plus 1 and minus p². Again open the bracket, positive sign is there, so similar signs will come. So plus p² minus 6p. Next bracket also outside it is positive sign, so again it will come as it is 2p upon 2p minus 5 upon 2. Now take the like terms together. So start from the first term, 3p². p² की similar term is minus p² and plus p². So take it together, minus p² plus p². Now after it come to the next term, minus 2p. minus 2p पर आइए आप, और 2p की similar term है minus 6p and plus 2p. So minus 2p के पास पहले मैं plus 2p mention कर रही हूँ and then minus 6p. Okay, p वाली term भी हम mention कर चुके हैं. Now let us come on to the constant value. So it is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 and minus 5 upon 2. Just count the number of terms in the previous step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you can see here students, in the constant term, the first and the last term is in fraction and the second term is in whole number. So what I am doing, I am putting 1 in the denominator of this 1 to make this one also in fraction. Now, just search, is there any similar value with opposite sign? So yes, there is minus p² plus p², exactly same, opposite sign. So these both will be cancelled. Then again minus 2p plus 2p, exactly same, opposite sign. So these both will also cancel. Now what is remaining from here? 3p². So I am mentioning here 3p². Then minus 6p. Okay, now we have to solve this constant fractional values. So we will take the LCM. When you will take the LCM, 2 will only come in the denominator. Then in the table of 2, 2 comes one time, 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to minus 1. In the table of 1, 2 comes 2 times, 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. Then in the table of 2, 2 comes one time, 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5 only. Now, this 3p square and minus 6p is not having any like term, so these both will come as it is, 3p square minus 6p. Here, firstly, you will add these two minus term. ये जो दोनों माइनस की टर्म है आप पहले इनको ऐड कर दीजिए, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड साइन माइनस, जो दो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ साइन होते हैं पहले हम उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. तो मैक्सिमम यहाँ पे माइनस वाली टर्म है, सो 5 और 1 को हम प्लस कर देंगे, 6 आ जाएगा, बट दोनों माइनस साइन के साथ में है तो साइन भी माइनस का ही आएगा. सो माइनस 6 प्लस 2 विल कम एज इट इज अपॉन 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, you have to write down 3p square minus 6p as it is, and here minus plus minus. So 6 में से 2 को हम माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 4, और ग्रेटर नंबर है 6, उसके आगे माइनस का साइन है तो हम भी लगाएंगे माइनस का साइन अपॉन 2. Here 2 and 4 are cancelling by the table of 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So finally इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, 3p square minus 6p and minus 2. So this is the answer of this particular algebraic expression simplification. Okay? So now students, part F, it is 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square plus 3xyz minus x square plus y square plus 2xyz plus z square. So first of all, we will open the bracket. So when you will open the first bracket, all the terms will come as it is. So I am writing it as it is, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square plus 3xyz. Now, outside this second bracket, minus sign is there. So inside all the signs will be changed. So this x square will become minus x square, plus y square will become minus y square, plus 2xyz will become minus 2xyz, and plus z square will become minus z square. Now take the like terms together. तो आप स्टार्ट करेंगे 2x स्क्वायर से, 2x स्क्वायर की सिमिलर टर्म आ जाएगी आपके पास में माइनस x स्क्वायर. नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्म इज प्लस 2y स्क्वायर, 2y स्क्वायर की सिमिलर टर्म है हमारे पास में माइनस y स्क्वायर. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्लस 2z स्क्वायर, 2z स्क्वायर की सिमिलर टर्म है माइनस z स्क्वायर. आफ्टर दैट इट इज प्लस 3xyz, सो प्लस 3xyz, इसकी सिमिलर टर्म है माइनस 2xyz. Count the number of terms. Firstly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have not missed any of the term. Now start solving it. 2x square and 1x square, no number, that means 1. So plus minus minus, तो 2 में से जब आप 1 को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, x square. Here also 2y square minus 1y square. So 2 minus 1 is equals to again 1. So we will write only y square. Then 2z square minus 1z square. So plus minus minus again. So 2 में से आप 1 को माइनस करेंगे, आ जाएगा वापस आपके पास में 1. So plus z square. और तीनों टर्म्स में आप देख सकते हो 2 ही ग्रेटर है और 2 के आगे प्लस का साइन है. दैट्स वाई देयर इज पॉजिटिव साइन बिटवीन ऑल दीज टर्म्स. नाउ लास्ट 2 टर्म्स प्लस 3xyz माइनस 2xyz, अगेन सिमिलर है, प्लस 3 माइनस 2. So plus minus minus 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Greater number is 3, so sign of plus will come. So plus x, y, z is the answer of part F. Now part G. Here also first of all we will open all the brackets. So start with the first bracket, 3x as it is plus 5y minus x plus 2y. Now open this bracket. So plus sign is there outside, same similar sign will remain inside. So plus 5x plus 3y. Next minus sign is there outside the bracket. So inside all the signs will change here. So plus 2y will become minus 2y, minus x will become plus x, plus 5x will become minus 5x, and minus 3y will become plus 3y. Now bring the like terms together. Start from the first term. First term से आप start करेंगे, 3x है ये. So 3x की similar term minus x plus x, 5x minus 5x. So these all are the similar term of x. So we will bring minus x and then plus x, then plus 5x and minus 5x. All the terms similar to x I have taken together, and one thing you must have noticed, minus x था तो इसका सिमिलर प्लस x था तो उनको मैंने साथ में रखा है. देन प्लस 5x था, उसका सिमिलर माइनस 5x था तो उसको भी मैंने साथ में रखा है. दैट मीन्स इसको नियर बाय रखने का यही रीजन है कि हम इसको इजीली कैंसिल कर सके. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, प्लस 5y. सो प्लस 5y की सिमिलर टर्म, लाइक टर्म हो जाएगी प्लस 2y, and here also is 2y with minus sign. So I am putting both these together. So plus 2y and minus 2y. Then after this 3y, both are with plus sign. So plus 3y, again plus 3y. Now cancel the similar terms with opposite sign. So minus x plus x, these both will be cancelled. Plus 5x minus 5x, these both will be cancelled. Plus 2y minus 2y, these both will be cancelled. Now write down the remaining terms. 3x, x में सिर्फ 3x remaining है और y में 5y, 3y, 3y and these three are remaining with the plus sign. ये तीनों ही plus के sign के साथ में है. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 and 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So plus 11y. This will be the final answer of part G, because now both are unlike terms, so we cannot solve it further. So now the last part of question number 3, part H, it is also having the bracket. So first of all we will open the bracket. So pay attention here. Firstly I am opening this bracket, so it will be 3x plus 2y minus 9. Okay, these three terms I have written. Now outside this trinomial positive sign is there, so inside all the sign will remain same. So it will be plus 2x minus 6y and plus 2. Now first of all this big bracket is having two small bracket also, so we will not open the big bracket firstly. Big bracket वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा और पहले हम bracket के अंदर जो small brackets हैं उसको open करेंगे. So open it. 4x minus 9y minus 1, and here plus sign is there, so inside all the signs will remain same. So minus 3x plus 8y plus 7. Now close the bracket. Now in next step what you can do, you can open the bracket. Now बाहर माइनस का साइन है तो अंदर सारे साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. So see, this will come as it is, 3x plus 2y minus 9 plus 2x minus 6y plus 2. Here till here it will come as it is. Now open the bracket and all the signs will be changed. So plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus 9y will become plus 9y, minus 1 will become plus 1, minus 3x will become plus 3x, plus 8y will become minus 8y and plus 7 will become minus 7. So you can notice that all the signs inside the brackets are changed now. Now bring the like terms together. अब like terms को साथ में ले आइए. 3x की similar term है यहाँ पर 2x minus 4x and 3x. ओके, तो पहले पॉजिटिव टर्म्स को लिख लीजिए. प्लस का 2x, प्लस का 3x, फिर हम माइनस का 4x लिखेंगे. सो प्लस 2x प्लस 3x and then minus 4x, so that similar signs will come together. Okay, now next term is plus 2y, so we will mention here plus 2y. अब 2y के similar terms देखिए आप, minus 6y plus 9y and minus 8y. So from these three similar terms 9 is of positive, so firstly I am writing plus 9y and then I will mention two negative terms, minus 6y and minus 8y. Okay, now constant, so minus 9, after minus 9 will come plus 2, plus 1 and minus 7. So firstly I am mentioning minus 7 because it is having the negative sign, then plus 2 and plus 1. So plus 2 and plus 1. Okay, now solve the similar signs. अब आप similar signs को solve कर लीजिए. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 is 8x minus 4x. तीनों पॉजिटिव साइन को हमने ऐड कर लिया है. यहाँ पे भी जो दो पॉजिटिव साइन है इसको आप ऐड कर लीजिए. सो 9 plus 2 is equals to 11y. पॉजिटिव को जब आप ऐड करोगे तो पॉजिटिव का साइन ही आएगा. नाउ माइनस माइनस इज प्लस बट साइन माइनस, So 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So here we will write 14y. Okay. Now to constant terms, minus minus is plus. So minus 9 and minus 7 is equals to minus 16. Okay. And plus 2 plus 1 will become plus 3. Now next step, you solve it finally. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4x plus minus minus. So 14 minus 11 is equals to 3 and the greater integer is 14. 14 के पहले माइनस का साइन है तो यहाँ पर भी आ जाएगा माइनस का साइन. So minus 3y and here minus 16 plus 3 minus plus minus 16 minus 3 is equals to 13. Greater is 16. Before it minus sign is there, so we will also put minus sign, so minus 13. So this will be the answer, 4x minus 3y minus 13. So students, here I have given you the explanation of all the parts of question number 3. I hope students that these all parts are clear to you. So today in this particular video, I am teaching you question number 3 only. Now in my next video, I will be giving you all the parts of question number 4th, because if in one video I give both the question, then the length of the video becomes too much. Then it becomes a problem for you people to watch it. That's why I will be making it in 2 parts. So this is the first part of the video where you are getting question number 3, and in the next video you will be getting the explanation of all the parts of question number 4th. Okay, so that's all for this video. Meet you back in the next video. Thank you so much.